Welcome back to Wheel World, where speed meets soul. Today, we're diving into the future of Italian performance. Meet the 2026 Ferrari F80, not just a hypercar, but a roaring testament to engineering brilliance, sculpted beauty, and next-gen technology. This is not just evolution. This is Ferrari rewriting the rulebook that lets explore why the F80 is turning heads across the globe. Under the hood, the 2026 Ferrari F80 doesn't just promise performance, it delivers shockwaves. Powered by a 3.9-liter twin-turbo V8 hybrid system, this beast churns out a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.2 seconds. Top speed, a blistering 217 miles per hour. This hybrid setup not only boosts raw acceleration but also brings Ferrari's commitment to future-forward, cleaner performance. But the F80 isn't just about speed, it's about balance. Ferrari's cutting-edge aerodynamics, package and carbon fiber construction ensure downforce, agility, and control at every turn. Whether you're cornering on a racetrack or cruising coastal roads, the F80 responds with absolute precision. Design-wise, it's every inch of Ferrari, but reimagined for tomorrow. The low-slung stance, sharp LED headlamps, and active aerodynamic flaps give it a commanding presence. Every line, every vent, and every curve is purposeful, function meeting form in perfect harmony. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cockpit that blends F1 DNA with luxury craftsmanship. A minimalist dashboard, digital displays, and suede carbon finishes wrap around the driver like a tailored suit. The steering wheel integrated controls keep you connected without distraction. Every feature placed exactly where a driver needs it. In terms of tech, the F80 is fully loaded. From adaptive suspension, AI-assisted driving modes, to Ferrari's enhanced EDIF and traction management systems, everything is designed to deliver peak performance safely. In a world where competitors like the McLaren Speedtail and Aston Martin Valkyrie aim for the crown, the F80 holds its ground, and then some. It's lighter, quicker, and arguably more refined. This isn't just a car. It's Ferrari's bold vision of where hypercars are headed. Pricing? It's exclusive, as expected. With estimates starting around $2.9 million, the F80 is not just a vehicle. It's a collector's dream, a driver's fantasy, and a glimpse into Ferrari's electrified future. If you're ready for a drive that merges heritage with high voltage, brute force with beauty, and precision with passion, the 2026 Ferrari F80 is waiting. This isn't evolution. It's ignition, only on Wheel World, where machines come to life.